Hi, I'm Kitty Faldy. Last month, we talked to kids at the City of STEM LA Maker Faire asking our favorite question. What's your favorite book?
Hello, my name is Makana. I go to Menlo Avenue Elementary. I'm 5th grade. My favorite book is Wings of Fire, a 7th book, graphic novel.
Why that particular one? Do you like it better than the first one?
I like that one specifically because I like how it talks about like when they're going like traveling like with the ice wing and going to their territory.
I'm always curious about people who like this series because dragons are not my favorite thing. I mean, I wouldn't want to meet one in real life. Would you?
Yes, because they seem cool and I want to ride one.
Yeah, but they have fire that comes out of their mouth.
But not all dragons do. It depends on what dragon you are.
Hello, my name is Rachel. I'm in 6th grade and my favorite book is A Wrinkle in Time.
Why?
Because you can really connect with some of the characters, like the lead. Yeah, the whole series is the best, but I think Wrinkle in Time is the best one.
Yeah, you know, Wrinkle in Time is one of our favorites, too. We did an episode about it, and people can listen to it at the website, bookclubforkids.org. We'll put a link in the show notes. How about you?
I can't choose a favorite.
Well, let's start at the beginning. Tell me your name.
My name is Becky. I'm in 4th grade, and I'm a homeschooler. Favorite series would be Harry Potter. Why? I think it's interesting. I like how the writer creatively makes a series. It's very unique as a book series because there's not really that many other series like it.
Hello, my name is Haley and I'm in 5th grade and I go to Steve Luther Elementary School. And my favorite series is Harry Potter because it has a lot of adventures and mysteries and tragic events.
Do you have to have tragic events in a book to make it interesting?
No, it can have important events that turn into story plot.
Do you wish your school was a little more like Hogwarts?
Yeah, because we have to learn basic things such as math and English, but in Hogwarts you get to learn spells. Yeah.
Hello, my name is Fiona. I'm 9 years old and I go to SM Prep. I'm in 3rd grade. My favorite book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory because it's like going into a magical world of chocolate.
Are you a chocolate fan?
Yes.
What's your favorite?
I like Hershey's.
I'm a See's Candy girl myself.
Hello, my name is Claire, and I go to SM Prep in 1st grade, and my favorite book is If You Give a Mouse a Cookie because I just like cookies.
Well, if I give you a cookie, would you then want something else just like the book?
Yeah, I would like a glass of milk to go with it.
And then if I gave you the glass of milk, what else would you want?
I would like a napkin.
A napkin. And if I gave you the napkin, what would you want?
I would like to look in the mirror and see if I have a milk mustache.
Hello, my name is Ali Xavier, and I am in 3rd grade in Washington Elementary School. My favorite book is The Bad Guys.
The Bad Guys. We have done The Bad Guys on the Book Club for Kids, and we will have a link to that episode at our website, bookclubforkids.org. But tell me why you love that book.
Because I like when it's like actions and everything.
Who's your favorite animal?
The dog.
Really? I was going to guess the snake.
Hello, my name is Jude. I go to Grandview Elementary 1st grade. My favorite book is Lunchland, the Schoolwide Shuffle.
I don't know that book. What's it about?
Lunchland fighting bad guys.
And why do you like it?
Because it has a bunch of bad guys.
Do you think of yourself as a good guy or a bad guy?
Bad guy.
How come?
Because I like bad guys.
What does it mean to be a bad guy?
It means you are like a criminal or something.
Yeah, but I mean, what do bad guys do, like you?
Like rob banks and stuff.
You've been robbing banks lately? You're shaking your head no. Well, what makes you a bad guy then?
I just think of myself as one.
I see. So you don't do the bad things, you just think of yourself as that. We'll have a list of everybody's favorite book in our show notes and at our website, bookclubforkids.org. And if you're a librarian who wants to add something special to your summer reading program, send us an email. We'd love to put all of your summer readers on a future Book Club for Kids podcast episode. Just send us an email to kitty@bookclubforkids.org and we will send you all the information. That's Kitty, Kitty, at bookclubforkids.org. This episode was supported in part by the LA County Department of Arts and Culture as part of Creative Recovery LA, an initiative funded by the American Rescue Plan. Thank you. I'm Kitty Feldy. Thanks so much for listening.